Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and in this video we are going to be going over chamfers in 123D design. I will start off with a box, and now what I can do, so what we're after is chamfering edges. So this is an edge, and we can actually choose this and go to chamfer. So now that we're in chamfer, I can grab this arrow and drag it along, or I could type in a number, let's say 5, and we've got a chamfer there. And one interesting thing that's kind of funny is you could actually keep on doing more chamfers and slowly get something that's, I don't know why you would do it, but it's just kind of funny. You can start to approximate a fillet by doing enough chamfers. But yeah, so that's a chamfer. You can also chamfer, I believe, around a tangent. So let me test it. Pop a box down. Smart scale it, call that good. Now I'm going to fillet this, so I'm going to grab these 4 edges. Is it smart enough? Nope. In some CAD packages, and most good ones, you can pick through a solid when it knows you're looking for edges. Alright, so now I'm going to go to here. I guess I can do a fillet. Where's the arrow? There it is. Drag this in. Remember, it's at 10.9. Now I can go back in and do a chamfer, which is the C key. So I'll click C. Distance, so let's pick the edge. There's the edge, and you can see now that you can chamfer around the whole thing. So we've got a chamfer around the whole thing. It's smart enough to find tangent edges. You can also turn that off. So what was it? C, turn off tangent edges, and boom, tangent chain I mean. Now you can just chamfer it this way. Okay, so that's a chamfer. It's basically a 45-degree cut. In not all software you're restricted to 45-degree, kind of splitting the angle, but you know, this is free software. In others you can do double offset, you can set certain angles, and there's a lot of different power to higher end CAD software, but in here you get the straightforward one. It works. So this is Keith from Kinvert. We went over how to do chamfers. Hope this was helpful, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.